Hello everyone. So welcome to Code with me in C. Today we are going to write a program to calculate the area of a circle. Here we'll be calculating the area of a circle using the input supplied by the user. That means the input, that is our radius, will be supplied by the user, will be input by the user, and your area will depend upon the radius input by the user. Here in the comment section, that is in the two forward slash, I wrote calculate area of a circle. So it will be considered under comments. Whatever I will write in this comments format will not be considered by the compiler for execution. Then your hash include stdio.h is a header file. Int main is the main function, after which whatever you will write in your code will be considered for execution by the compiler. Then your curly brackets open. Now int radius semicolon. In this statement I have declared a variable named as radius under the data type int. That means whatever value the radius will carry, this variable radius will carry, will be of integer type. Then semicolon, which is your instructor terminator. Now float area semicolon. Here again I have declared a variable named as area under the data type float. That is area, since you know the formula of radius of area of a circle is pi r square, that is pi into r. So it can be possible, like it is going to be mostly possible that your area will be of your real value or decimal value. Then you need float. That's why I wrote float. Now here in the printf function, whatever I will write inside my parentheses and double quotes will be considered for printing on my screen. So here I wrote enter radius of a circle /n. The /n is a escape sequence character which will automatically bring my cursor to the next line in the output. Now the scanf function, which is used to take input from the user. Here inside the parentheses and this double quotes, I wrote %d, which is a format specifier for integer. Now comma, address of radius, parentheses and semicolon. By this sentence I mean to say that the user will input a number. The user will input a number which is of integer data type, and this number will get stored at the address of radius. That is, this number will get stored under the variable named as radius. So now your area, which I have declared here inside my float data type, this area will carry the value of 3.14 into radius. Here this asterisk symbol, it denotes your multiplication sign in C programming language. So here your area is 3.14 into radius. This radius will depend upon the input given by the user using the scanf function. Then your semicolon, instructor terminator. Now your area is calculated. So the value of your area is under the variable area. Now in the printf function, under the parentheses and double quotes, I wrote area of the circle is, then this %f is a format specifier for float for values. That is for real values or decimal values. So area of the circle is, and this value will be put here. So area of the circle is the value which the area is carrying, area variable. Then return 0, since we are not returning anything from the program, or for some time you can think of this as a syntax, as a part of syntax. Then your curly brackets are closed. So this was your code. Now we are going to see the output. So the output is, here enter the radius of a circle. After that I have used /n, escape sequence character, which automatically moved my cursor to the next line. So here the input I gave was 3 as a radius. Now the area of a circle is 28.260000. So this area was 3.14 into r, that is 3.14 into 3 into 3. So I hope you understand. Still, if you have any doubt, you can put it in your comment section. I'll be happy to solve them. And if you like my channel, then please subscribe, and thank you.